Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal without a bank account. First, you'll need to create a PayPal account using a valid email address and a phone number. After that, verify your identity by providing a government-issued identification document. This crucial step ensures the security of your account. Once verified, you can link a debit card or a prepaid card to your PayPal profile, setting the foundation for your transactions without needing a traditional bank account. Funding your PayPal account without a bank is straightforward. You can easily add money using a prepaid debit card, which acts as your primary funding source. Another common method is receiving money directly from other PayPal users. Additionally, consider utilizing a PayPal Cash or PayPal Cash Plus account, which allows you to deposit cash at participating retail locations. These options provide flexibility, ensuring your account is always ready for use. Once your PayPal account is funded, you can seamlessly make purchases and send money. Pay for goods and services online at millions of retailers worldwide, simply by selecting PayPal at checkout. Sending money to friends and family is also effortless. Just use their email address or phone number. For in-person transactions, the PayPal Debit MasterCard allows you to spend your balance wherever MasterCard is accepted, offering great convenience. When it comes to accessing your money, you have several convenient options. You can transfer funds directly to a linked debit card, typically within 30 minutes for a small fee, or in 1 to 3 business days for free. Alternatively, you can request a check from PayPal, though this usually involves a fee and takes several business days to arrive. For immediate cash, use your PayPal Debit MasterCard at any ATM, providing easy access to your balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.